Well, hello people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kiera or Kigra Art, so welcome. The first item that I did get, hold on, let me take this off of here real quick. So it took me a while to realize that black watercolor paper exists. So this one was, I think, $24 for 15 pieces of paper, which is a little bit pricey, but I just had to get my hands on this right here. This is the hot press paper right here. I love hot press. And then the second item that I did end up getting, got some homemade shimmery holographic watercolors off of Etsy. And if you're new here, I stay buying stuff off of Etsy, so this is not a shocker at all. Everybody needs to support their small businesses. It helps out a lot. So this is what I bought. So here's the bag. Okay. And usually I always open up a lot of my stuff with you all, but this time I was very excited to get this. I could not wait. So sorry, not sorry. So here is, when you first open it, you have the tester sheet for whenever you're ready to test the colors out right here. I have a instruction sheet on how to take care of the watercolor and how to store it. And let's get ready for the good stuff. I want to be very careful because sometimes these can come out. The camera isn't even picking up on how beautiful and how vibrant these really are. These are so fucking pretty. And I want to say, with my discounts applied, I paid altogether $67 for this right here. Mind you, this is an investment, and it's also homemade. Homemade. You can't buy this in store. You have to buy it online. Boom. Okay. And what I like about these, I know for a fact with me, personally, a little will go a long way just looking at these colors. So with that being said, I'm about to go ahead and test these out on the watercolor paper, the black kind, and also on white to see how they look. So if you want to see that, please stay a little bit longer. And if you want to know how I did get a coupon, please stay a little bit longer. I got y'all, okay? Okay, boom. So let's get straight into it. So I actually bought the black paper and this paint last year around Black Friday of 2024. So I bought the paint off at Etsy, and with Etsy, if you leave, now this is my little tip, if you leave a product within your cart for over 24 hours, that shop will send you a coupon between 5% through 25% off. And I believe in this case, it was a 10% off coupon that I stacked with my Black Friday deals. And also too, what that I like about this brand, they always have sales going on. Literally right now, they have a sale going on right now for 10% off everything within their website. So now let's get into these swatches with these paint. So I realized it was two different textures. One was holographic and the other one was glittery. And I like how you can build up layers if it's not to your liking with these paint. And it goes on very smoothly. It's not streaky or anything like that. And you're probably wondering, like, well, damn, where's the black swatches at on the black paper? It's coming. I promise you, it's coming. That's like further along within the video, but I wanted to see how this tester paper tests out on this paint by itself. And as you can see, it is as beautiful as it looks. And this is actually my favorite part of the video as a whole. Okay, yeah, so I am back and I have my final thoughts about this paint and this paper. But before I do go into detail, y'all, please go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel. I promise you, you ain't gonna lose no edges, you ain't gonna lose no sleep, you damn sure ain't gonna lose no money. So please go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel. It won't hurt y'all. Okay, boom. So yes, now you can see the sun is not on my side when it comes to this paper right here. So I'm going to attach a video or a picture so that you all can see what I see. You do see it is pretty as fuck. It makes me want to eat it so bad, but of course I'm not going to. But yeah, my thoughts on this paper was exactly how I assumed it was before I even started. Because they're very colorful and very holographic and they're not opaque, the effect isn't really as strong as I knew it was going to be on this white paper. Colors, and then, oh, fell out right there. Y'all just seen one of the paints just fell out of the container. Now, I don't know how you feel about that, but with me personally, because I use a lot of watercolor paints, that doesn't bother me because I'm used to it, okay? Now that we have that out the way, let me show you the black paper and also the paint on the black paper. This is the paper and the brand that I did use. As you all can see, it is a total difference compared to the white paper. You can definitely see the shimmers and the effect way better on the black paper compared to the white paper. And the reason too why I like this paper a lot is because it holds up very well when it comes towards weight. Very, very well. But yes, this is the effect. And also too, I wanted to dive more and play more with the paper. So I ended up using gouache. Yes, I believe I pronounced it correctly. I played around with some gouache on this paper. Not a fan towards gouache at all, but I believe I served it justice. So this is just some doodles that I did to warm me up for the final picture. And this is also some of the paint too right here. And then some more. We're getting closer to the actual picture itself. Get a drum roll, please. Okay, so here's the final result of, okay, this needs to focus. Focus. Okay, so here is my baby. This is a Galaxy ballerina. And I'm not for sure if you all can see the iridescent or the holographic effect on this picture, but I will post a better picture and video so that you all can see what I see yet again. But y'all, I'm so proud of myself of how this came out. I think by the time I post this video, the original and the print will be available, but I'm not for sure just yet. If it will be, I'll post it somewhere on the screen or it'll be linked down below. But my overall thoughts for both this paper and this paint, do I believe that is worth the investment? I would say yes. I would definitely say yes, especially this paper right here. I actually had way more fun than I thought I would with this paper. I think next I want to use like some pastel pencils to see how this will hold up. And as far as this paint, I like these a lot too. A little actually goes a long way, so I can see this lasting a very, very long time. Now, if these popping out scare you, I will suggest that you don't get it, but that was just only one just popped out. But like I said earlier, that doesn't really faze me because I'm used to it when it comes towards painting with watercolor. So y'all, thank you so much for watching my video. If y'all have any questions or any suggestions as of what you think I should do next, please leave it down below in the description box, and I will see you next time. Okay, thank you.